What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on COSM stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we completed or almost completed the B wave inside our ABC correction. And this was one of my assumptions. Second assumption was that we should land right here. I literally told you that we might land at $0.69 mark, and it is the range of resistance. It is the bottom of previous 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. On top of that, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, from swing high to swing low, as you can see, it is the golden pocket range, and we hit it to the tick, and this range statistically is the most probable range of trend reversal, and that's why we had this rollover. And I have to say that this asset is very technical, and I have to say that most likely we might see another leg to the downside, but everything I will show you in my technical analysis in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. So, we don't have much news directly related to COSM, and the most recent one was made just several days ago and even week ago. And let me show you this one. We are on Microcap Daily, and this article was published on December the 5th, and it's titled Cosmos Holdings, Mammoth Short Squeeze Rising Fast as CEO Georgios Sikors Buying More. And let me quote you this. Cosmos Holding is an enormous short squeeze that is rocketing up the charts while the overall market are weak. On Monday, COSM was up over 10% at one point, but closed at $0.57, up 6.5%, while the Nasdaq lost just under 500 points on the day. COSM is quickly going viral and is currently among the top most trending stocks on stock tweets, the top most mentioned stock on the subreddit short squeeze, and there are dozens of YouTube channels reporting on it and provide Discord groups buying COSM from all over the world. And I have to say that I totally agree with this statement because a lot of YouTubers made a lot of videos on COSM that you should buy this stock. But instead of this, my approach is very realistic, and I have to say that I'm more bearish on this stock despite its huge short squeeze opportunity. So, and let me show you, let me quote you another paragraph. While COSM was shorted into oblivion, the company is strong, recently reporting $12 million in revenues in Q3, as well as rapid growth through acquisitions, with 3 major acquisitions currently on the table. COSM is led by able CEO Georgios Siokas, a high-level pharmaceutical executive. Mr. Siokas is a major shareholder in Hippocrates Pharmaceuticals, Thackeris Pharmaceuticals, Thessalias Pharmaceuticals, and Z Pharma SA. Since 2019, Mr. Siokas has invested over $10.6 million at an average price of $5.25 of his personal wealth into Cosmos, and definitely it is a very good sign. More recently, Mr. Siokas acquired another 1.131 million shares on Friday, adding to the 481,000 shares acquired Thursday, adding to his previous buy of roughly 800,000 shares at $0.62 earlier last week. This comes after Mr. Siokas acquired 12.5 million shares, priced at 12 cents, as a part of securities purchase agreement in October. And let me show you this data. Right here you can see, and I covered it in my previous video, 2 most recent purchase of COSM stock made by Georgios Siokas have an average price of roughly 15 cents. And definitely 2 more acquisition doesn't change much, because despite its quite high price, definitely the number of shares that was bought on $12 mark is much higher than any other shares right here. This means his position is very lucrative in terms of the average price. So, and let me show you the short interest on this stock. The short interest percent of float is roughly 11.61%, and off-exchange short volume ratio is 46.23%. Right here, this number is a bit lower than it was previously, but let me show you this. For now, the total number of shares available for shorting is only 100,000. And previously, as you can see, we have a very harsh volatility among this list. And when I made my previous video, the number of shares that was available for shorting was 1.7 million shares. And I have to say that the short borrow fee rate is still quite high at more than 89%. And right here we can see a small decrease in off-exchange short volume ratio. This means the short squeeze opportunity is still on the table, and everything depends on the support from stock tweets community and other short squeeze communities. And right here, as you can see, the COSM stock is on the 5th place, and previously it was on the 2nd and even on the 1st place. And it is on the most active section. On watchers section, we don't have this ticker symbol, and we don't have this ticker symbol on the trending section as well. This means you have to be very cautious with your long position, especially if you count on the short squeeze. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next from the price action? If it is the case, and if we already formed the B wave of the retracement, we should land the bottom of our C wave. And we can project this bottom by pulling a Fibonacci extension tool from its swing high to the bottom of the A wave and project the length from the top of the B wave. And usually this ratio is 1 to 1. As you can see, the range of about 16.29 cents might be the lowest point of this retracement if the trend reversal happens in upcoming weeks. So, and right here, as you can see, the C wave for now has only 3 waves. Let me show it to you. For now it has first, second, probably this is the third, and we are about to form the 4th wave. But we have to have 5 wave structure in our C wave. And the 5th wave might be with a huge extension. This means we still have the possibility to hit these low targets. And this means if this asset breaks this bottom and this one, we will confirm this ABC correction. And in this case, the upside potential for this stock will be limited in the short period of time. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap, only got